Okay, if you haven't already tried to come up with a crash test dummy, stop right now and come up with some ideas for a crash test dummy for your egg drop challenge. Then come back and watch this video. No cheating, you need to think about this on your own first. But assuming that you've already worked on your crash test dummy, I wanted to share some of the results that I came up with. So first off, I want to show you the results of my fresh egg dropped from about 5 inches high. Can you see that? We got clear cracking and we got clearly egg whites exposed. Very clear indicator that this egg could not survive a 5-inch drop. Okay, so I've got this egg maybe hands width above the countertop. Whoa, look, it broke. Okay, so that was our first test. The second test was this Play-Doh. And this, I can't really tell much. I couldn't get it perfectly flat to begin with, and it's very subjective whether I got any significant deformation. So this was not really great for clear criteria on crack or not cracked. Okay? It's still great if I want to do a hang glider and I want to test my system. This is the same weight as an egg. I measured the weights and I picked an amount of Play-Doh that got me the same weight as my fresh egg. So this has a great use for a test dummy to test a flying system out, a hang glider system, but it's not going to give me pass-fail criteria on the cracking. My Easter egg, my plastic Easter egg, did okay when I dropped it from 8 feet high. It cracked open. But when I dropped it from 5 inches, nothing. So this is not calibrated well to my fresh egg. So this is not a great predictor under all conditions. Now my other idea for a crash test dummy was a hard-boiled egg. Okay, so here I've got about 5 inches high and I've dropped my hard-boiled egg. Okay, so again, I heard a crack. If you can see this, the fracture pattern is similar to what I had on my fresh egg. And here you can see it cracked under the same conditions. Similar cracks, a little bit hard to see on this video, but a clear indication that cracked under the same 5-inch drop. So for my money, a great substitute for a fresh egg and an egg drop challenge is a hard-boiled egg. And the great news is there's no waste done. It's very easy to eat your hard-boiled eggs afterwards. I would still bag my eggs fresh or hard-boiled just to protect them from coming in contact with the ground or any dirt. Makes it sanitary, easy to eat afterwards. Absolutely no waste. So I hope you're having fun with the egg drop challenge and the crash test dummy twist. And I'd love to see any pictures of your crash test dummies and your egg drop test results. Love to see them. Please post a picture to the Solve It for Kids podcast or to my website, putneydesigns.com. Look under the STEM menu for the egg drop challenge. Thanks so much. This is Dr. Marsha Tufft signing off.